Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Gimp 3.0 plugin development. The author's enthusiasm is infectious, isn't it? It's almost here.
Absolutely. Gimp 3.0 is a huge leap forward. The shift to GTK3 and Python 3 is a game changer for plugin developers. More sustainable, more future-proof. I love it. But, where do we even begin? The article mentions several resources, but it's a bit overwhelming.
Right. It's a treasure trove of information. Let's break it down. First, the language choices. C, Python 3, Scheme, JavaScript, and Vala. The author focuses on Python 3, which is great for many developers. Python 3.11 to be exact. Embedded within Gimp, not the system Python. Important to remember.
So, no messing around with system-wide installations. Good to know. And the documentation? The C API is readily available, but the Python API, not so much. It's in a tarball, huh? A bit old school, but hey, it's there.
Exactly. A bit of a hunt, but it's there. The article also points to a basic tutorial, a lifesaver for beginners. And the location for plugins? .config/gimp 3.0 plugin / easy enough to remember. The main file needs to match the subfolder name. Clever.
I see. And the interactive Python REPL within Gimp itself? That's a fantastic debugging tool. Although the code completion is limited, it's still helpful. No need to restart Gimp after editing. That's a huge time saver.
Totally. Running Gimp from the terminal is also a great tip for seeing error messages and std out output. Debugging made easy. The article also mentions using the Gimp source code repository for examples, a goldmine of pre-existing plugins. Brilliant.
Wait, what about external Python modules? How do you handle those?
Yes. You bundle them with your plugin using pip install-targets path to/plugin sum package. Or you can use the site module to add paths to the Python search path. Pretty straightforward, once you know the trick.
And if you're completely stuck? The IRC channel #gimp-dev on irc.gimp.org is mentioned. A community of experts ready to help. That's reassuring.
Indeed. A supportive community is essential for any project. This article is a fantastic starting point for anyone looking to develop Gimp 3.0 plugins. It's clear, concise, and packed with useful information. A must-read for any aspiring Gimp plugin developer.
I completely agree. It's a great resource, and the author's proactive approach to collecting and sharing this information is commendable. Thanks for breaking it down for us.
My pleasure. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Have a great day, and happy coding.
Bye-bye.